3, 2, 1, let go. Level up, 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 level up.
Hey guys, it's Jasmine Monet, and today we're gonna do a video from going curly to straight. I washed my hair last night, and I kept the deep conditioner in all night, and I rinsed it out this morning, well, just a few minutes ago, and it's kind of shirt dried, because I don't want to use a towel when I dry my hair. I use an old t-shirt, and this is kind of what it looks like after it's been dry for a little while with no product in it. And it's starting to kind of air dry as well, so I'm trying to hurry up before it gets too dry, and it's gonna be hard to blow dry. But yeah, so this is what it looks like, and this is how long it is when it's curly. And if you wonder who this is Zara. This is my little sister, and I told her to get out, but she didn't want to, so I told her she could stay. But I think she might leave when I turn the blow dryer on, because she does not like blow dryers. But okay, so let's get started. First thing you're gonna need is a comb, a rat tail comb, and some clips. Well, this is what I'm using. You can use whatever you want, honestly. Some Reflections Liquid Shine, some heat protectant. I'm using Care Strengthening Thermal Protector. This is a Chi flat iron. It's a little old, so yeah. And the blow dryer I'm using is also old. It looks like this. It's a Andes Professional 1875. So that's what I'm going to be doing. First, I'm going to part my hair into 4 sections. It's going to help me so I won't be all up in the camera. Alright, I have my 2 sections. I need to make them into 4. Well, first, I'm just going to put this to the side, actually, first. Use one of my clips. Alright. I'm not gonna. Alright, now I have this part right here. This is one of my 4 sections. And first thing we're going to do is we're going to brush it out. I'm using my Denman brush to brush it out. Yeah. Going with the actual rat tail comb. Make sure you get all the tangles out. Right, and now what I'm going to do first is put the heat protectant in this whole piece, this whole section. I usually just do 2 pumps. And then just rake it through. And then go ahead and brush it through to make sure that it gets on all the strands of hair. I don't know if I said this, that's just what you need too. You also need the Paul Mitchell Super Skinny Serum. It would help keep it when you flat iron your hair, so it'll be soft and silky, give you that silky feel. I usually use 2 pumps in a section. Go ahead and brush that too as well. Alright, once you do all that, you're good to go ahead and start blow drying. So, again, this is the blow dry I'll be using. And I'm going to show you guys this section, how I blow dry it. And then, so I'm going to put it on hot. The hot setting on high. Okay, so this is it, the blow after I blow dry it. I try to get it to the straightest point. I think I probably could have went a little bit more, but it'll be fine. But so that's the first section. I'm gonna be doing the same thing to every section, the same thing, the same steps, the same products, same steps for every section. So I'll be back when I'm done with the whole head. All right, so y'all, I'm done with the whole thing, well, blow drying part. I'm gonna do it one more. I'm gonna do it one more time, just to like everywhere and make sure it gets everywhere. I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like. So this side. I know it needs to be a little bit blow dried at the top, but you know the flat iron's gonna do okay than that. I feel like it's just cause I'm hot and it's starting to frizz up a little bit, and then that in the back. So yeah, I'm gonna do it one more time, just everywhere, and I'm gonna keep y'all on here. So yeah, this is the finished product of the blow drying. So now we have to move on to the flat ironing part. So, alright, so to the flat ironing part, I do the same thing. I part my hair in 4 sections. So we're gonna do that first. Go ahead and part it in 4 sections. Alright, so now it's parted into 2 sections now, just to ensure there's no tangles, because when you're flat ironing your hair, when you get to the flat ironing part, you do not want your hair to be tangled, because that's just not what you want to do at all. Like, especially if you just blow dry it out, like, girl, you should not have any tangles. Part these into 2 sections. I usually clip the end part. That. Go ahead and comb it out. Some of the serum, the Paul Mitchell serum, skinny serum, I put 2 pumps on. It's really liquidy, so it's hard to show you because it will fall down. And just put it throughout your hair, just to make sure it's gonna have that nice silky feel, and it smells so good. Brush it through, and then get your comb and also do that as well. So my flat iron is right here. I was letting it heat up and I didn't want her really to mess with it. I'm going to go from the back. From the back. See that little section that I have right here? That's the first thing we're gonna do. Then clip this up. I'm done with the first section and I will come back when I'm on this side. Okay, so this is the finished look. The back. It's the back. Yeah, so that's it for the curly to straight hair video. Hope you enjoyed, and subscribe, like, comment, and yeah, I'll be back with more videos.
I'm the middleman, walk talking like a boss, I just lift a hand. 3 million cash, call me Rain Man. Money like a shower, that's my rain dance. And we all in black, like it's gangland. Say the wrong words, you be hangman. Why me stick